This is your introduction to Module 4. Module 4 is probably not going to be a lot of fun for you. And that's because it starts out with a black eye. The chapter that you start with, Chapter 6, we're doing Chapter 6 and Chapter 7 in this module. Chapter 6 is talking about budgeting, and nobody likes budgeting. They generally don't like budgeting because they don't understand what goes on, why it goes on. So one of the things I hope that you take from this module is going to be the need to be able to communicate with the people who are involved or should be involved in the budgeting process, and further to allow you the vocabulary to explain to them, the other people who must be involved in it, why their input is so important. Played properly, you'll be able to get a lot of support from them, make your job a lot easier, and give the company something that can be worked with on a regular basis to achieve the goals of the company. So as a manager, this is extremely important to you. So budgeting from a number of aspects is going to be an important part of your life in the future, one way or another. So the more you understand now, the better you can prepare later, and the more you can contribute to the success of the budgets that are set up. So the other aspect that we're talking about is flexible budgets and performance analysis. Perpetual budgets are a good idea. But typically what we talk about is a static budget, which is developed for a particular level of production, has only one set of numbers for it, if you will. A flexible budget, on the other hand, considers what you've learned between variable and fixed costs and allows you to put that in a range of operation, so that if we have this level of production, this is the level that we should expect thanks to our flexible budgeting. So flexible budgeting is important partly because performance measurement is possible with flexible budgeting. Flexible budgeting and the analysis that results from having a flexible budget. So this is your task for this particular module. Now, you also have an activity which has to do with the budget process, and that project will be one I hope that's of use to you and allows you to get a better understanding of what goes on and why it goes on with budgeting and performance measurement. Those are two incredibly important aspects of your job. And I know I've said this for just about every module, but you know, it's true. So you want to get a handle on it when you can. Thank you, and we will talk again.